Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a step-by-step guide to pumping milk for your newborn and help new moms feel more confident with the basics of pumping. When you're new to pumping, it can seem like there are many things to learn. The good news is that once you understand the basics, pumping often becomes a comfortable part of your daily routine. The first step is preparation. Before every session, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup helps create a safe and organized experience. Next, choose a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps make pumping sessions feel smoother and more comfortable. Before starting the pump, have your storage containers ready and keep water nearby. Being prepared can help you stay relaxed throughout the session. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting. There is no need to rush or immediately choose the strongest level. A comfortable and steady approach often works best. Give your body time to respond. It is completely normal if milk does not begin flowing right away. Patience is an important part of the process, especially in the beginning. During the session, try to remain comfortable and maintain a consistent routine. Many mothers find that regular sessions become easier with practice. Once the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. The final step is cleaning. Wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before storing them for the next use. Remember that every mother's journey is different. Building confidence with pumping takes time, and small improvements each day can make a big difference. With patience, consistency, and a simple routine, pumping can become a manageable and comfortable part of caring for your newborn. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.